You won't believe your eyes when you see the ridiculous interior of this cabin. Arched Cabins is a company based out of Houston, Texas and Tiburon, New Mexico, which has been expanding rapidly. They build inexpensive and durable cabins, and moreover, the inside of these cabins are just breathtakingly beautiful. They not only build cabins for people to live in, they also build cabins for vacation homes, lodges, retirement homes, and even animal shelters. As said earlier, these cabins are really inexpensive, but what's impressive is the fact that they can design these cabins really quick. If you're thinking how much do these cabins cost, the most expensive one they've built cost $5,000. So as you can imagine, they're really affordable compared to the luxurious cabins they build. Even more impressive is the fact that the insulators used in these cabins are made from the latest technology, which keep the room warm when it's cold outside and keep the air cool during summers. Only 4 men are needed to construct these luxurious cabins, hence they're so cheap. But they don't compromise on quality. It's extremely hard to find a cabin of such quality at this price. They're available in all 48 continental United States. If the quantity of orders is high, their service will be available in Alaska and Canada too. I'm sure that you're interested in building one such cabin for yourself now. So visit the website for Arched Cabins to contact them. This is a golden opportunity to have your dream home without burning a hole in your pocket.